Hello, children. Today we will be reading Savannah by Eve, Pi, Damien, and Daniel. And Sidra. This book is dedicated to the capybara and the black mamba. Hiss. Here's the table of contents, where it holds all of the contents. Location. The scientific name for the savanna is called the tropical grassland. These are located close to the equator. They can overlap into other biomes as well. Some well-known savannas are in Africa, India, and Brazil. Savanna grasslands locations. Savannas are found in Africa, Australia, South America, and India. Temperature. Temperature in the savanna is very warm all year around. And it's very dry in its dry season. Not a lot of plants grow, and it looks very dry as well. Lots of dry. Temperature could reach around 70 degrees Fahrenheit. In the wet season, it is very wet. A lot of plants grow, and it looks very beautiful. Here is this picture of savanna. Here are gazelles. Precipitation. It can rain up to 60 inches per year, which is not a lot. Most of the rain is during the rainy season. The rest of the year is dry. It is not as dry as a desert, but not as wet as a rainforest. The rainy season is during the summer time of the savanna. It gets very hot and humid during this time. Usually it rains for hours during this time. Here is a picture of the savanna. Seasons! The savanna only has 2 seasons. One season is rainy, and one season is dry. It can rain up to 60 inches in the rainy season, as we previously stated. In the dry season, most things dry up, as we previously stated. Dry season. You want to know a fun fact, kids? Some animals go so long without water during the dry season that they barely make it alive to the wet season. Rainy season. Plant life. Most of the plants and trees that grow in the savanna are not very tall. They have to be well adapted to the lack of water. They have long roots that can reach really deep into the ground for water. Most of the plants that grow are grass, shrubs, and trees. Most of the grass grows in tufts. They also have fires once in a while. They're really good for the savanna because it helps regrow everything. You want to know a fun fact about acacia trees? Acacia trees? The kaya trees have a very short lifespan compared to most trees. They can live between only 15 to 30 years. Animal life. Since there's a lot of grass in the savanna, there are a lot of...
Pardon the interruption. I need the following students to report to room 212 at this time. Elizabeth Daniel,
Why?
Tessa Chambers,
Why?
Allison
Why?
Hannah Conover,
Why?
Lee Swanson,
You
Joseph
crop this part
Holcomb,
out.
Alexis Ramirez, Edgar Canales, Lane Adams, Braden Clifford, Will Thompson, Milo Barnes, Caleb Behar,
Are you kidding
Rosemary
me? Wait,
Chapa,
did it stop recording?
Kaylin Birmingham, Dane Arbuckle, Mason Lockman, Braden O'Brien, Ian Lawrence, Gabe Salisbury, Logan Breeling, Beryl Llewellyn, Turner Brown and Colin Adams. Please report to room 212 at this time. Thank you.
Oh my god.
We'll crop this out.
Since there's a lot of grass in the savanna, there are a lot of herbivores in the savanna. The type of species of animals that live in the savanna depend on its location. In Africa, there are elephants, zebras, horses, and giraffes. I don't know what just happened. Oh, it's possessed. There are also antelopes, hyenas, and lions. You want to know a fun fact about giraffes? You come to the right place. The giraffe is the tallest mammal in the world, with even newborn babies being taller than humans. Notable organisms. There are a lot of cool animals in the savanna. One of them is the African elephant. Another one, who can live up to 70 years. Another one is the black mamba, which the book is also dedicated to, which is the deadliest snake in the world. One that we all know and love is the Grant zebra, which is the horse of the savanna. Cheetah! They can accelerate it from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3 seconds. Okay. Human interactions. There are both good and bad things that happen to the savanna due to human interactions. One bad thing is desertification. This is when people keep cattle near the savanna. Whoa. The cattle usually eats a lot of grass, which leaves the ground barren and dry. A good thing that happens are fires, as we previously stated. This helps the land regrow. However, it can destroy a lot of homes belonging to animals, such as horses. Whoa! What? It's possessed. Ooh.
Oh my god. What?
You want to know a fun fact about savanna fires, children? You come to the right place. It's good for the savanna to have fires every once in a while, as we previously stated.
Oh well.
Layers of fun. Make a paper chain snake. Materials: construction paper, 2 or 3 colors, scissors, tape or glue, googly eyes, black marker, and a piece of red construction paper. First, cut out the pieces of different colored construction paper about 2 inches wide and 10 inches long. It does not matter how many you cut because you can make it as long as you want. 2, choose a pattern that you want your colors to go. 3, take the ends of your first strip of paper and tape the glue.
Tape or glue the ends.
I want to try to tape some glue. Take some tape or glue to the ends to make a ring. Are they proposing?
What?
Oh, to make a ring. 4, take the paper, slide it through the ring, tape or glue the ends as well. Repeat the process until you have the chain as long as you want. Cut out a tongue shape from the red construction paper, fold one end to create a tab, and glue it to the front of this construction paper ring. Glue on googly eyes or draw eyes on with a marker. Now you have a snake. Oh, here's the body of the snake, how it should look. Here's the tongue of the snake, like that. And then here is your final product. Oh, I can't say that. A snake. Here's some words to know. You want to know some words, kids? I bet you do. Adapted. Make something suitable for a new use or purpose. Biomes, regions of the world with smaller weather, temperature, animals, and plants. Desertification, the gradual change of land that is easy to live in to a desert. Equator, an imaginary line dividing the earth into herbivores. Animals ate plants, savanna, Land that is tropical and subtropical regions with few trees. Species, a group of individual organisms that are capable of reproducing with each other. I also think we should touch on the reproducing topic. I mean, no, that is not what I meant to ignore that. Here's our index. And then here are our sources. I did not mean to say that. That's